Have you ever take a deep breath and truly listen to the sound of the rain outside your house? Or have you ever listened to the sound of an animal, a cricket in your garden? Have you ever listened to the sound of the cooking of your mom? In every day, in every day, we listen. I mean, there are a lot of sounds around us, from the sound of the people talking to the sounds of your beloved one sharing, or just the sound of the nature. The sound is everywhere, and it's happened from the moment you get up until very late when you go to sleep. But have you ever be slow and deeply listen to the sound of a small action around you? I mean, no matter what the sound it is, have you ever deeply, mindfully pay attention to that sound? For example, when you listen to the sound of the rain, did you truly listen it, or you just don't care about this? For me, the most beautiful sound is the sound we mindfully pay attention to it. It can be the sound from the nature, from the animal, or from the people, whatever. Just pay attention and mindful to that is the best, the most beautiful sound. I hope you always find the beautiful sound in your life. How? Similarly, be mindful to everything in your life, each and every moment. Thank you.